So this is our 1-year follow-up. How's that hip feeling?
Wonderful.
Well, thank you so much. It's been an honor to work with you.
I'm Rhonda, and I'm 78 years old. And before I had my left hip surgery done by Dr. Cagle, I was at the point where I almost couldn't walk. And I've already had my right hip replaced in more traditional, old-fashioned way, I guess. And that was not nearly the recovery. It took me 5 days in the hospital. With this surgery, I was out of the hospital the same day, was able to go home the same day, and it was healed very quickly, very painless. I had hardly any pain, didn't take pain medications but once maybe,
Nice.
kind of thing. And I've been back to biking and hiking and doing all the fun things that I can do. So just don't wait too long. If you have the same issue with your hips, don't wait too long. Just get her done.
Perfect. Well, thank you so much. Really.